Hello guys, I hope you are will be fine and safe. Here we made a leather shorts for the women. You can see this is a very nice extra small size, and this is made in lambskin. As you can see, the women shorts for the summers. Here is the front two pockets on the front, folded hem. Here is also another pocket, and here is the back side of the shorts. There is also two pockets and extra with belt. Belt is covered with the eyelets to make it more beautiful, and the waist we made the elastic waist for the stretchable to put in, and inside lining with the black satin, or you can say silk. This is a very nice for use and very comfortable. You can see the grain of the leather. This is the beauty of the leather. We are talking from the Bell leather jacket. You can contact us for your inquiries. We will make the we can make the same shorts with your brand label or logo. Thank you so much. Have a good day.